Lesson 1.2, Pronouncing 71 Variation Sounds. Welcome to Lesson 1.2 of our Japanese Romaji course. In the previous lessons, we mastered the pronunciation of the 46 basic characters. Now, it's time to explore the remaining 71 character of the modern Japanese sounds. Let's dive right in.
が、ぴ、ぐ、げ、ご、
The sounds G is represented by the letters J, respectively, rather than Z.
さ、じ、つ、せ、そ。
Consonant D does not create combined sounds with vowel I and U. Instead, it becomes G and ZU.
だ、じ、つ、で、ど、ば、び、ぶ、べ、ぼ、ぱ、ぴ、ぷ、ぺ、ぽ、ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴょ、しゃ、しゅ、しょ、ちゃ、ちゅ、ちょ、にゃ、にゅ、にょ、ひゃ、ひゅ、ひょ、みゃ、みゅ、みょ、りゃ、りゅ、りょ、ぎゃ、ぎゅ、ぎょ、じゃ、じゅ、じょ、びゃ、びゅ、びょ、ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴょ、ぴ、ぴゅ、り、りゅ。
Japanese V is pronounced the same as the sound B in Japanese.
ば、び、ぶ、べ、ぼ、わ、び、うえ、を。
Great job! You have successfully learned all 117 Romaji sounds. Now let's dive into the rules of Romaji and further enhance our understanding. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Thank you for watching Modern Japanese.